Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my Warhammer hero. Thank you, David. I really feel like a hero when I'm playing Warhammer Total War. I need that feeling. I'm such a loser in real life. Have you seen QS? Yes, I have seen QS. I am very, very aware of QS. Trust me on that one. GLSI, any news on it? Oh my, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Oh, there's no volume in it. Yeah, we're getting to the phase of the markets when things are starting to gap up like 500%. Insane. It's not gonna last forever, but if you have a few solid trades in this market environment, you're gonna do very well. Yeah, QS was that was insane. I've sold about half of what I bought in Interactive Brokers yesterday. I had like 2 stop outs on it, I think. I bought it here, got stopped out. I bought it here, got stopped out. Then I rebought late day, and then it went up 55%. And then in my smaller center point account, the shares I bought here, low 20s, I have sold a little bit more than half of those. What if this QS goes to 100 bucks? I'm not sure about the short yet. I don't trust it. I think it's gonna dip a little bit, and then it's gonna rebound and hold. I don't think I'm gonna short this thing. I'm gonna keep my longs, and if it goes back to 60 or 55 or whatever, then so be it. So I'm at a point where I'm risking giving back, what, 10 points to potentially make another 25, no, 20 to make another 25. Yeah, well, it's a risk I'm gonna take. Yeah, THCB, this is the one I had 50,000 shares in Interactive Brokers 2 days ago, and then I got stopped out yesterday at the open. What the hell was this weakness? Who was the idiot that decided to sell 369,000? Well, 50,000 of those are mine, but 319,000 shares. Retard. Sorry. Won't do it again. Okay, I'm gonna forgive you this time. XBIO phase 3. My god, another one of these, yeah. NBAC, this is a watch. These SPACs, they're all going crazy, and yeah. VXRTs, and no, not VXRT, no. Well, there's a bunch of them. Celb, I don't see anything in Celb. Resi, I don't see anything here. Fisker, it's a watch. It's a hot sector, and it's a SPAC, and it's a recent SPAC, and all of these things. Yeah, X is on my watch list for a potential short. I'm probably not gonna trade it. THCP, is it in my watch list? No, not anymore. I bought some shares pre-market in IB. I wish I still had those 50,000 shares from like 1250, but instead I have 20,000 from like low 14s. It's a chase. It's a chase in case it goes 20 or something. It's my IB account. You have to understand, this is a very small position for me. It's like 1%, 1.5% of total equity. Yeah. So it's not a meaningful position in any way. So if you decide to chase these things on any meaningful size, you're begging for it. Yeah, I saw a few yesterday. I almost bought it, but then I didn't. I passed on it. Yeah, IDEX looks ready. KCAC. Oh yeah. It's QS. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I have a lot of videos on trading size. I've been talking about it in many of the videos, but I can't. There's probably, check my pinned tweet, and then there's probably also in the exclamation mark YouTube video. It's a lot of videos I talk about. Okay, enough questions for now. I need to get ready for the trading day. Square looks like it's flagging. If it breaks the flag, I think it's gonna go straight to 250. So that's always nice. Yeah, pretty much every long is gapping higher. No, I still have half of my laser position. So what are gonna be my main watches today? I think some of these wheat stocks are potentially flagging here. Preferably they go sideways for another few days. Pinterest is flagging. I think this thing wants to go to 100 or something. CGC, another weed name, is flagging here. Then I'm watching some of these small EV and SPAC names, very speculative. Oh yeah, mRNA maybe. If it decides it wants to do a double top here. US Steel, you know what, I'm gonna take this one off. NIO, I'm gonna take it off. I don't see a trader. Jumia, taking it off. I don't see a trade here either. SPE could be a trade though. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do anything radical today. So again, like I said, QS, I'm risking to giving back $20 of profit on this half size or less than half size I have left. But you know, if in case it wants to go to 100 by tomorrow, I'm a little bit unsure. I think this thing may surprise to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised to see it at 100 or 120 tomorrow, or maybe not. I don't know. It could very easily fade back to 50 by tomorrow also. This one I bought pre-market. Yeah, rig is breaking higher. Other than that, I'm just gonna trim and trail like usual. Just regular bull market trading, trim and trail. No need to do anything fancy. I am gonna watch opening range lows or VWAP fails and stuff like that on laser to add to my existing short. But I'm not gonna do any crazy size because I'm already have some from yesterday. mRNA could be it's been bouncing for what, 5 days now, 6 days. In case it wants this to be a double top, there could be a trade there on the short side. We'll see. Yeah, IIPR is triggering. Looks really good. Square is breaking out nicely. Slow mover, but looks good. CRIS it could work. I'm not gonna do it, but there could be a trade on the short side. I won't touch it though. Guys, work is a buyout. Don't even look at that thing. It's a buyout. IDXX is the slowest stock ever. Why would you trade anything with an ADR 2.5? Guys, you should know this. You followed the instructions on the screen, you should know it. Don't trade slow stocks. If you want to make big money, you gotta trade fast stocks. Pinterest is trying to break out. Guys, no random shadow in the first 30 minutes. You know the rules. Let's keep it to later. Right now it's strictly business. KC, it could work. Holy shit, what's going on here? Rocket Pharmaceuticals. What? It's has a very good ticker name. A very good name, actually. Okay, and there you go. QS found support, and now it's back near highs of the day. So far, my thesis is playing out. Let's see if this can go. This thing can go to 100 today. We are in that market environment where you can have this ridiculous price target, and it's probably gonna happen. That's where we are right now. That's how big the stupidity is in this market right now. It's insane. That's where we are. Laser? I think it's gonna go back to the rising 10-day, which would be another 30-35% lower. But it may not, it may take a while. But we'll see. Like everything is going straight up. Pretty amazing. Now QS is taking out highs of the day. Oh my god, what a beast. What a beast. Beam, a good short. Not with this gap down. It would have been better if it had gapped up to high 70s or something. I don't know. Not with this gap down. Kind of ruined the setup. Look at what mRNA found support right on the 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart. I'm telling you guys, these magic lines, they work pretty well. Snow for a short? Nope. I don't see a setup here personally. I think Snow, once this market stops going up, speculation money starts leaving, I think Snow could be a short, like a long-term short. This is one of the most ridiculously valued stocks in the market, and it's a mega cap. This thing trades like 200 times sales. It's insane. Palantir, here I don't see a setup. Oh, long-term Palantir? I don't know. Long-term short? I don't know. I just thought no, Snow is the most ridiculously valued company out there, and it's a mega cap. You have a mega cap trading 200 times sales. It's just maybe I'm gonna do it with options. We're gonna take it later, but I'm gonna ask for options advice. Oh man. Hey David, I'm becoming an options pro. No, you aren't. What do you mean I'm not? Yes, I am. David is all he say hey hi to Marco. Hi Marco. My best buddy when I was a kid, his name was Marco. When will Yala be maybe starting tomorrow? It's too thin for me. I wouldn't trade it. I'm personally not gonna do it, but maybe starting tomorrow, especially if it starts speeding up and zooms up to high 20s or maybe even low 30s or something. Oh, come on, QS. Go to $100 today. What a beast. And there's so many good setups for later this week and next week. Like SPE, like this thing is up like what, 6 days in a row? If we can have a big day today and then maybe gap up tomorrow, that's gonna be a high conviction short, just like Laser was yesterday. What I think about Peloton, wait, what the hell did I do? Peloton, yeah, it's setting up, just needs to break out. It's kind of grinding higher, but it looks like it did here. It just kind of grinded higher, and then it had a breakout day, and then it just went up another 40% in a couple of weeks. But you need to wait for that breakout, I guess. Zoom is weak though. It's testing the rising 100. It really needs to hold here. Yeah, you know what? Who was even earlier on MMEDF? Julia Scripta on Twitter. I've been following her for a long time. She literally started talking about it mid-September when the stock was in the 30-40 cent area. And it was so thin. In hindsight, I should have loaded up like a couple of million shares. But hey, you can see it on my screen. You can see her Twitter on my screen. Edit. No. No, at least not today. Maybe tomorrow. Hey guys, wake me up when QS is at $100. Didn't you say, did I say I would say Mara? No, it never stopped me out. I had to stop at 508 or 507 yesterday, 508. Never stopped me out. OMI? Yeah, OMI looks decent. Maybe a bit too late to buy it now, but it looks good. Ben of Rock. Thanks, Ben of Rock. I appreciate it. I appreciate your nice words. Hey, David. Can't you be nice like Ben of Rock sometimes? No? Okay. Well, I had to ask. Snow. I'd like to do like very long-term puts, like multi-year. Like even the greatest companies can go down a lot, even if they keep executing. I mean, remember Amazon went down 95% once the internet bubble popped. And there was nothing wrong with their business. They kept growing like 30, 50, 100% per year in revenues, right? Yet the stock went down 95% because of multiple not expansion, but the opposite of expansion, multiple contraction. Thank you. And I think it's the same thing is gonna happen to Snow. I think it's a great company, but it's a mega cap at 200 times sales. I just don't think it's a great. And if I'm wrong, you know, if I do the puts, I have a limited loss potential. But we can talk about it later. You forget it? Okay. Okay. Too costly? Really? Ah, fuck. What are options good for? Like, what are they good for? Like, really? Gambling? Not this again? Yeah, okay, we can talk about it later. Oh. QS isn't 80 yet? What a piece of shit. Worst stock ever. So let's go through some setups, because as you know, I've been nailing this thing the past 2 weeks. So my first buy was down here, like mid 20s or high 20s or something. Because I saw the sector, the batteries, the EV stocks, they just kept going and going, and there were so many of them. And then you had this QS with potentially game-changing battery technology. A lot of big investors. I knew when Dante started tweeting about it. Well, he started tweeting about it when it became public. he kept tweeting about it. I'm like, hey, this thing is starting to get volume, it's starting to get momentum, I'll buy some. Everything else in the sector is going crazy, so that's what I did. I bought it. It wasn't a clean setup, but I bought it on this day here, like mid-high 20s, 20,000 shares. And then it went straight up. It more than doubled in just like a week or so. I got stopped out for a double, like mid-40s. I pulled back, found support on this magic 10-day line. Magic, look at this magic 10-day. This thing works so well for the momentum stocks. And then I rebought it on this day here, when it came out of this. You can see it cleaner, it's a bit cleaner in the 60-minute. When it came out of this like high 43 range, that's where I rebought it. Oh no, sorry, the day before. I rebought it opening range highs, got stopped out half, and then I bought back the other half. And then yesterday, like, they weren't like clean setups, but I just wanted low risk entries because I knew this thing, like you get these things once or twice per quarter, you get these ultra speculative names with sexy stories that go absolutely nuts. And then I traded yesterday, twice I got stopped out in my Interactive Brokers account, and the third time I rebought it when it reclaimed VWAP intraday. Here, like low mid 53s, and yeah, well, up 50% since. So it's all about trying to find these low risk entries on something you have high conviction on. Like I talked about this thing half the day yesterday. And now it's doing what I thought it would do. Yeah, sexy stories. It is sexy. I mean, if this company succeeds, it's gonna, like, obviously there will be competition. I'm sure there are other companies working on the same technology. I just haven't heard about them, but I'm sure the Chinese are researching the same type of technology. But no matter which one of those succeed, or if they all succeed, like the battery, I mean, everything is gonna be electrical. We're gonna have electrical airplanes and boats, and it's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. ENDP. Yeah, it's tightening up here. Yeah, it could work if it breaks out. Not today, but yeah, it may be starting tomorrow. What's the news on this RCKT? Is it one of these COVID names? Because it is a biotech, right? Rocket Pharmaceuticals. This and there is also another company, Rocket Companies, a recent IPO that's go up today. Let's see here. Wait, what? Oh yeah, okay, they had a phase 1 news. Okay, RCKT phase 1 in something. Laser, what's going on here? Is it going up or down? It's going nowhere. But yeah, it was a home run. I was up like 600k on it at one point yesterday at the lows, or 700k. Had it gone to 35, I would have been up $1 million. That would have been nice. But I still have like 60% of the shares from yesterday, so let's see what it does. I tightened up my stop on this mRNA. Because it's holding support pretty well for now. Wait, QS? Is it $100 yet? Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna sell some more. I'm gonna sell more. So I have like total of maybe a third left. I came in long. Let's see, how many shares came I? 45,000 shares. I came in long 45,000 shares. So I have 15,000 shares left. So yeah, a third left from what I held overnight. I'm gonna raise my stop to today's lows. Holy fuck. QS. You can get locates on it if you have the right broker. Well, what can I say? It's like when I nailed these mask stocks earlier this year. When I bought APT at like $7, it went to 40, and I sold like 25. And was it the other one, Lake? Wait, this wasn't as big. There was another one that was, INO, where I bought INO at like 550 and it went to like 19. That was kind of satisfying. And you know, it is kind of satisfying nailing these high flyers. It's one thing sitting in something like AMD or, I don't know, Coupa, that go up like, 20, 30%. And it's still good money because these are big positions. Or Snapchat, right? I bought it at what, low 41s, now it's at 51 soon. It's kind of nice, right? These are big positions, so it's good money. But something like QS, like these are not like, it's not a big position or anything dollar-wise, nothing like my large caps. But when they shoot up 100% in a few days, it's kind of satisfying. It's another type of feeling. Yeah, it's a different high. It's kind of addictive. That's what's so scary, and that's why you gotta be so careful when you go on a big run and you catch a lot of these doubles and you nail things left and right, because you're gonna start chasing that high and you're gonna start doing some bad decisions. And when the market turns, when the speculation money leaves, you gotta be so careful. You could give back half or most of what you made. So I'm doing trades here and there, but I'm on like red alert mode here. The more craziness we see, the more cautious I get. I refuse to give back any profits. I've been there so many times, I double, triple my count, and I give back half. Because I don't know when to stop, when the market changes character. Been there so many times. I refuse to be a victim. I'm gonna be proactive. THCB is a pure QS. Oh my god, it took out highs of the day. Nice. I guess my low 14 chase is pre-market there. Oh, damn, there was an entry. Okay, whatever. Well, right now, if you buy it here, you are probably not gonna last for long as a trader. Exactly. This time is different, and it is different this time. It is. That's why I chased QS. That's why I chased THCB pre-market. But these, they're not that big positions. Like THCB is like 1.5% of my total equity. But if it doubles, I'm still gonna make some decent money on it. But the thing is that this time is different period. It's not gonna last for long. That's what most people don't realize. All these crazies on this Robin Hood crazies. People think this is normal, but it's not. This is abnormal. This type of periods, you only get them a few times per year usually. Ryan, my thoughts on it, it looks just a random stock. I don't see anything here. There's definitely no setup here right now. TRNE, a parabolic short? No. Nope. Nope. It's not up enough. It looks like a big move, but it's not. It's only a double. It's been going straight up for a couple of weeks, but it's not even a big move. It's only a double. And also, the past 2 days, look at this consolidation in the 60-minute chart. It just broke out of a flag yesterday. This is absolutely not a parabolic short. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Is QS at 100? No! What is this? A red candle? The stock is not supposed to have a red candle. What a fraud. Yeah. I'm just enjoying this because I know it could end. It could end. You know, when these things end, it's like someone flips a switch, and everyone go from being euphoric to being depressed. So I'm just enjoying this type of thing. It's kind of fun when you have action like this. But some of my more legit stocks are pulling back today. And also I'm gonna add to mRNA short soon, because it's about to fail VWAP here. Bum ba-dum bum ba-da-ba-dum. Laser, okay. I'm looking for a spot to add more laser. Maybe if it can, because it just now built another lower high and failing at VWAP, so yeah, there may be another hat spot soon. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba. I did add a little bit more to mRNA as it's failed VWAP again. So I have 40,000 shares short now. Yeah, I'm getting cautious here. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna sell Beely outright. I think it could go higher, but I just wanna. I've sized down on it. It's not really even a big position anymore, and it is up like 50% from the entry. So I'm happy with the trade, or it was up 50% like 30 minutes ago. I'm gonna do some portfolio cleaning, like I did with Celsius the other day. Gonna get rid of these smaller positions. I know, but I'm you know, I have too many positions, 25 positions. I can't keep track of them all. I'm just getting rid of the smaller ones. I'm happy with this trade. Like, yeah, maybe it goes to 90 or something. Eventually, 100. I know. I should, but sometimes when you are handling a portfolio like I do, it's just have to be proactive. Because, you know, I'm on margin, and you don't want to play around when you're on margin. You gotta be really proactive. When you start seeing warning signs, you gotta be proactive. Shoot first, ask questions later. That's how you have to be. Let's see here. Oh, Silo, nice. Started speeding up today. Size down a little bit on this one too. But yeah, this is not how you should trade, guys. You should, unless you're a margin and really, you know, need to size down. But I don't really advise any new traders to use margin. So Snapchat, you know what? I'll size down on this one too. I'm just trying to be proactive here. On some of these positions that have been going up nicely. I got rid of my Mara. I could rebuy it tomorrow, but right now it's just too weak. It's holding below this 10-day, and it's been showing relative weakness compared to Riot for like a week now, 2 weeks. Let's see. And if Koopa violates yesterday's lows, I'm gonna sell that one too. This Pinterest breakout is kinda soft so far. Like these types of breakouts, they're better when market has been pulling back or going sideways for a while. But when you get these types of breakouts after market has been straight up, the odds of success are kind of diminishes. But we'll see. I'm not calling for a market top or anything. I'm just managing my risk here. Again, like I've been on a really good run. And I'm just taking some chips off the table here. Just taking some chips off the table. What is this? Oh yeah, this is another SPAC. I'm not, yeah, taking a, no, I'm taking ships off the table. I'm not taking a shit on the table. What do you think of me? Who the hell shits on the table? Oh. As long as it's not my table. Oh, by the way, talking about Celsius that I sold a couple of days ago, I just drank a Celsius. They didn't have my favorite taste of Nocco at the kiosk, so I bought a Celsius instead. Backtrack.net, really? They have a site for that? That's pretty good. Rad has a short for tomorrow. It could work. Yeah, it's like a 80 up 80%, 75%, and it's starting to speed up. But yeah, it's not a huge mover, but yeah, it could work. Definitely. Starting tomorrow. What is this, guys? What is this QS bullshit doing? What is this? Why is it? Why are there several red candles in a row? You don't know what FNMA stock is? It's probably the most liquid stock on the OTC. This thing was epic back in 2013. Absolutely epic. One of the most epic things I've ever seen. I once increased my account by 50% in one day by shorting FNMA and then playing the bounce on it. My account went from 8,000 to 12,000. That was the trade that turned my trading around. That was May 2013. I had been a struggling trader for 2 years. I've been consistently losing money. That was the trade that gave me confidence that, hey, I can do this. I can do this. I was at rock bottom mentally. Oh shit, I missed the laser ad spot. I'm gonna have some. At what size don't you have a double small account? I would say anything below 1 million is a small account, and anything below 100,000 is a tiny account. But you can double a big account too in a good year. I started the year with 3.5 million, and I'm up like 25 million on the year. So you can double, triple, quadruple a big account too. And if we get a good trading year next year, I can't see a problem. Why can't I double the current account size? You just need to have good setups and confidence in those setups. And experience. You also need experience to know when to push and when to take a step back. But it takes time. I've been doing this for 9 years now. It's not gonna you're not gonna get it in the first couple of years. If you make money in the first couple of years, you're either very lucky or you're very good. It took me 2 years to start making money. It took me 2 years. Still losing money? Well, then you need to work on your setups. You need to probably stop trading and actually start studying some specific setups and then trading those. Because if you're still losing money after 2 years, well, then something is seriously wrong. Like for me, it took. Look, I could have become profitable earlier if I had like put in a more effort. But I was lazy in the beginning. I didn't know what to do. Like I didn't even know what a setup was. I didn't understand the concept of a setup. And then when I started understanding a concept of setup, I didn't really study them. But once I started studying specific setups because I was so tired of losing money, that's when I started making money. If I hadn't been so lazy, I would have probably become profitable 6 to 12 months earlier. How I improved my risk management? Well, I started becoming better at stopping myself out of bad trades. And also not going all in. In the beginning, when I had a tiny account, I went all in all stocks. I didn't know better. I have learned a lot from Mark Minervini. I talk about it all the time. I learned a lot from Dan Sanger, Mark Minervini, William O'Neill, Nicholas Darvas, Stanley Druckenmiller, George Soros, Paul Tudor Jones, Jesse Livermore. Like I picked up bits and pieces from all of these great traders. And you know, if you look at it, they pretty much do the same thing. They may do it a little bit differently, but they pretty much do the same thing, the same way. David, yeah, David, yeah, Pradeep, too. Yeah, David, I picked up a lot from you too. I'm not sure what, but I'm sure I picked up something. If I weren't trading, I was chasing alerts. I was in the Team Sykes chat room. I was in a lot of different chat rooms. Cameron Faust. I was in Kunal's room. I was here. I was there. I was a little bit everywhere. Then I was like, fuck this shit. I need to learn this. I can't follow someone else's trades. Team Sykes is a scammer. Well, the thing is, I don't know. I don't think he's a scammer like these guys I talked about yesterday on Twitter, Raging Bull or whatever they were. They were total scammers. Team Sykes actually has, he's actually a real trader, or at least was a real trader that made money. And I learned the parabolic setup from Team Sykes initially. That's where I learned it. And now I made 10 plus million trading that setup. So I don't like the guy. I don't like the way he promotes stuff. But I will be eternally thankful. Because he got me into trading. Team Sykes got me into trading. I bought the dream. Isn't it wise to keep in the loop with others like-minded traders? Yeah, Team is a marketer first, trader second. Who retweeted one of my tweets? Team Sykes? No. Who retweeted? Wait, did Team Sykes retweet one of my tweets? What, really? Which tweet? I tweeted at him and he retweeted? Okay, which one? I have no idea. Hey, could you Yeah, well, 99% of traders don't have, or I don't know what, I mean, technically you open a brokerage account, you put in $100 in your Robinhood account, and you're a trader. So the threshold of becoming a trader isn't really that high. But my point is, like 99% of people who are doing these, let's say short-term trading, they're just really gambling. Because they don't have a process, they don't have a setup, they don't have any edge, they're just randomly doing things. They're following others, they're going with their gut feel, like no one knows anything. They're hyping each other. It's just a shit show. And right now it's a market when, like since mid-March, the stupidity, the dumber you are, the more money you have made. That's where we are at right now. It's like 99 2000. You just have to shut off all logic and just buy the stuff that goes up. It's a pure momentum market. You can't look at valuations. It doesn't matter, the company's a fraud. You just buy and hold your nose. Maxer, is this a space stock? Okay. Yeah, Space. Space is the first SPAC. I think Space is the one that sparked the SPAC mania. This is the first one. I didn't even know what a SPAC was until this Space SPACed late last year. Isn't that the first one, like SPAC that went big, and since then there've been like dozens of others. Are we expecting a crash? There's most definitely gonna be a crash. Sooner or later. There's always gonna be a crash, no matter what. It's an inherent part of the markets. We just had a crash. When is the next crash gonna be? I don't know, but there's definitely gonna be a crash. And all you have to do is to listen to the market. Look at what stocks are doing. What is the market doing? The market is gonna tell you. It's not like a market is one day gonna open down 30%. No. The market is gonna top out and it's gonna show weakness. Then it's gonna show some accelerated selling. But you gotta listen. Yep, laser. I read about the guy who founded this thing. He's like 20 years old. Pretty amazing. It has a $2 billion market cap. The guy's 20 years old. 25? Fuck you, David, he's 20. Now 25? Okay, he's 25, whatever, 20, 25, but he's really young at least, okay? 25. David, how the hell do you know these things? Started at 17, now 20. Now everyone knows how old he is. Guys, how the hell do you know how old the founder of this company is? Okay, let's take this one. How old is the founder of IIPR? Come on. David, hey David. How old is the founder of IIPR? Now it's quiet. How old is the founder of XBIO? I'm busy. Okay, David is busy. Let's not disturb David. He's busy. Hey, David, are you cleaning your guns? What parameters do my scanners have? Well, if you follow the instructions on the screen, you'll find out. You can start with, like I have many videos. Swing trading school videos, I go through my scans. There's also a pinned tweet where I go through some of my scans. Just follow the instructions on the screen. David is vacuuming. He's vacuuming every day. When doing your due diligence, I'm looking at the theme, I'm looking at the group, I'm also looking at growth numbers. Because if you get the sector right, it doesn't really matter which stock you buy. It's better to hold the shittiest stock in the hottest sector than hold the best stock in a not very hot sector. I don't care about CEOs. TME yesterday, yeah, broke out of a perfect flag. Memorize this pattern. Now this is a bit slower stock, ADR 3.8, but this is the pattern you should be looking for. Was it difficult to convince your parents you're going? Guys, I'm not like 22 years old, I'm 32. When I started trading, I had moved out a long time ago. So no, it wasn't very hard to convince my parents. What did they think? nothing special. Lessons learned from Dan Sanger. Well, I went through I subscribed to his service, sharkpattern.com, I think it is. I went through all of his newsletters. I just looked at what he was looking for. He looks also for these explosive growth stocks with a lot of momentum. And you notice he's doing the same thing over and over again. The same patterns, the same types of stocks. You buy strong stocks with momentum in good markets. And he talks about love your stops, not your stocks. That really resonated with me. And also I've been to his seminar and stuff like that. Oh, looks like DQ undercut my stop. Interesting. Well, I didn't have a hard stop in, but yeah, if it can reclaim this mid 41s, probably gonna hold it. But if it starts losing 41 again, I'll probably sell it. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Why I trade horizontal base breaks all the time. What are you talking about? What do you mean I don't do that? That's like my bread and butter. No, I was never a level 2 gazer. I think you're gonna burn your brain cells if you become a level 2 gazer. Thoughts on Baba? I don't see anything here. Like Spotify the other day. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. How do you get into a high tide flag before they become, well, you either buy a breakout or an episodic pivot. And then you can buy the high tide flag too when it sets up. Oh, what the hell is this? 10 bagger in 2 sessions, nice. 20 bagger in 2 sessions, holy shit. 30 bagger since yesterday, okay, nice. Go. Yeah. Hey David, did you play Dungeons and Dragons where you were young? Hell no. Hey David, what age did you get your first gun? $13? Holy shit. Come on, laser. Come on, go to 32 today. It's now kind of backside. It's below VWAP. These moving averages are starting to slope down, and it's building lower highs. Like so far, so good. Yes, English is mandatory. Fido breaking out of a 6-month base. Yeah, it is breaking out. But I don't really, this is not really a momentum stock. It's a slower type of a name. It's not a leader, so to say. This thing was a leader back in 2009 to 2012 or so. That was a big mover. And also in 2006, 2007. The Baidu is a good stock to go back and look for, like, this thing has been a big growth stock. Had great, like, it was growing 50, 100% per year. That's why it made this kind of a big move between 2006 and 2014 or so. It was a big growth stock, and you can go back and look at this thing back in 2007, 2009, 10, 11. 2013, 14. It's a good stock to learn from. This is like a textbook stock, a lot of textbook breakouts, etc. Episodic pivots. Peloton, is it a good setup? It looks decent. It's getting really tight. It's been building higher lows. It's surfing above the 50. I think it looks good. But I am a little bit worried about, well, not really worried about the market. There's nothing wrong with the markets. It's just me being super cautious. But look, if it breaks out, it's going to be a good setup. Paya? I don't know. What is this Paya? Just a recent IPO or a SPAC maybe, I don't know. And BLDP, I know this one, broke out yesterday. Plug 2, Fuel Cell had a strong day. BE had a strong day. They're all the same sector. Am I still holding QS? Yes. I still have a third. I came in long 45,000 shares today, and I still have 15,000 shares across 2 accounts. HYLN. It looks like a total piece of shit. Has no momentum. There's absolutely nothing here. Do I like classic cars? Not really that much. Luna's design. I mean, they can be pretty, but I'm not really a. Oh, this is the company that makes classic electric cars. Pretty nice. Yeah, they did this old. Oh, this one is. Oh my God, this is a beast. I saw this one before, like a Rolls Royce. Electric Rolls Royce. Old school. What a car. Imagine driving around in this car. You park at the grocery store. Holy shit, imagine the looks you're gonna get with an electric motor. Oh my God. Oh. What a beast. This thing looks huge. Look at the front of this car. This has to be like 2 meters or something. Enormous. What are the specs? Like how fast does it go from 0 to 100 kilometers? Or 0 to 60 miles per hour? No, it doesn't say. Wait, it said something. 120 kilowatt hours. How much is that in horsepower? 160? Okay, that's not really a lot for such a big car. Oh, it's a measurement of power. Oh, guys, I don't know anything, okay? You have to understand, I don't know anything. That's why I need some smart people in the chat room. Oh. I know my setups. That's the only thing I know. Guys, I'm only you know, guys, you don't need to be that smart. If you're just a little bit smarter than all the crazies, all the Robin Hood crazies, you're well ahead. If you're just a little bit smarter. Yeah, APHA is flagging. A lot of these wheat stocks are flagging. Cron, ACB, CGC, Tilray, they're all flagging. It's a sector, again, sector. You can own the shittiest stock in the hottest sector and you're gonna do better than owning the best stock in a sector that's not really very hot. Trading has probably a 99% fail rate. And then you have these David is gonna play. Hey David, do you have these physical Warhammer figures? Isn't Warhammer like a boomer game in the beginning? Warhammer. When was Warhammer? Like, I was never into Warhammer. Introduced 1983. Okay, David already left. Like, I've been playing this Total War Warhammer. Like, I've been a fan of Total War games for a long time, but I never really played the Total War Warhammer because I wasn't really into, like, thing. But now that I started playing, it's kind of fun. And now I'm looking at these Warhammer figures. Pretty cool. Oh, so this Rolls Royce at 390 horsepower? Now we're talking. Wait. Cyberpunk released today? Isn't it tomorrow? No, it's tomorrow. Come on, it's not today. It would be fun if they made a Warhammer 40k. Cooler than a Rome theme? Yes. I played both Total War Rome and I played a lot of Total War Rome when I was in high school. No, not in high school. I was in graduate school, or whatever you call it in English. I don't even know. But anyways, like 15, 16 years ago. And then I also played a little bit, a bunch. Back in this spring, actually, I played a lot of Rome too. PLT, what's this? I don't see. Not yet. Maybe in a few days. Wait, people are playing Cyberpunk right now on Twitch? Age of Empires 2, yep, I played that one. I played that one a lot, so fun, so much fun. Some streamers got early access, so okay. Well, it's smart, built the hype. I read they have a streamer mode in Cyberpunk, which is pretty smart. So they cut out all the nudity and also the licensed music, so Twitch won't take it down. So you can stream without having any, problems with Twitch. It's pretty smart. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a streamer too, but I don't think I'm a big enough streamer. I noticed I have like 1,800 subscribers on Twitch. I didn't even know that. Pretty funny. Yeah, Twitch is owned by Amazon. I played a little bit of Civilization, but I was never like a super big player of Civilization. Warcraft? Starcraft? Yeah, Starcraft I played too. Not the I didn't play much StarCraft 2 though. 2,000 hours on Civ? Yeah. Wish I would start. Yeah, like the amount of time I put into games. Oh man, if I put that into other stuff, oh man, I would be skilled at a lot of. I would actually be smart. Well, Facebook has been trying to get into VR for a long time, but I haven't seen any of it. mRNA, holy shit, this thing loses lows of the day. Next stop is like 145, or mid 140s, I mean. The 10-day moving average, maybe. Oh, I need to go through my positions here. QS, yeah, it's below VWAP now, but it may still surprise. Or maybe not, I don't know. Takes out lows of the day, I'm out. I really wanted this thing to go with 100 plus. I could still do it by tomorrow. We'll see. I love instant gratification trades. The problem is, in a market like this, you get used to them, and then the market goes to shit, and you're gonna have withdrawal symptoms. That's the problem. Holy shit, Zillow is going big time now. Had a little bit of a slow start, but now it's kind of speeding up. Zillow has also been a really good trader this year. I bought it here, on this breakout here, and then I bought it on this breakout here, and then I sold it, I think, here when it lost the 20-day. So on this first buy I was up like 65% at one point. I missed this entry here, but I did get it here, so it's been a really good trader. Very trader friendly stock. Do I watch any Netflix? Yes, I do. I have all the streaming services. I have Amazon Prime, HBO, then I have a couple of Swedish ones, I have Netflix. I have them all. Yeah, the best trades are usually the ones that you are pretty much, you get into them and you're never like down on the trade. At least longs. Shorts can be a bit more tricky, but yeah, a lot of short setups are coming. How often do I trade channels? I don't know what you mean exactly, but pretty much never. I only trade channel breakouts. I don't know what you mean. Give me an example. JFrog, what's this? Yeah, if it starts breaking out of this low 70s, absolutely. Ideally, a few more days sideways. AMD, yeah, it's holding the 10-day like a champion. Looks good, very good. I think this thing wants to go to 110 or something. Nah, I wouldn't recommend anyone do any parabolic shorts. Like the thing is, you don't really need to trade. Like you can trade simple breakouts, and you're gonna make tens of millions. Parabolic shorts, it's you know, you do it wrong, you're gonna blow up very fast. That's the problem. Simple breakouts, you're not gonna blow up as fast. F-cell, I don't see a setup here. Yeah, there's a lot of stocks right now that they just keep going and going and going, and then they go a bit more, and then go a bit more, and then they go a bit more. Is laser going to 0 yet? Where is it? Still below VWAP, okay. NIO backside, not really right now. There's so many other exciting things setting up, so. What's the news on this XBIO? Phase 3, okay. Good for them. What are my thoughts on Shapiro's? If you're gonna day trade or short-term swing trade, I think it's really good. Like I started using the 60-minute thanks to Dan Shapiro. I think the 60-minute chart is really, really good. If you trade these liquid momentum stocks, I think it's great to like. 60-minute chart is really good. It takes off a lot of the noise. But he's mostly day trading, so I'm not really a fan of that. I think you're limiting your potential when you day trade, I really do. QS over VWAP. Yeah, QS is not, now it's starting to behave better. What the hell was this bullshit all below the VWAP all about? Well, and why isn't this thing at 100 yet? If it sets up later in the day with higher lows and a tight range, I'm gonna add. I'll add like 15,000 shares or something, 20. If I get like a really tight good setup. What if it goes to 120 by tomorrow? I think this is gonna be a 5-star short setup tomorrow if it goes to 100, 120. Ideal scenario if it goes to like 100 today and then gaps up to like 120 tomorrow. Yeah, this thing is yeah, it's great. Oh, God, I'm so tired. Oh, mRNA. mRNA looks vulnerable on the 60-minute. Oh, it has an air pocket here. 10% air pocket. I have 40,000 shares short. I may add more later if it starts fading. It builds a tight range on the 5-minute here. And starts breaking lows of the day. But we'll see. TME, it's not, no, TME is not too slow for me because it's kind of or actually it's not that liquid. But yeah, I was thinking about trading it. I even had it on my watch list a couple of days ago, but then I took it off because I was already in so many things and I just saw better stocks out there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Hey, guys, do you want to see me play Total War Warhammer? Maybe I won't cut the stream. I suck at it. I'm not very good at it. Right now, I'm playing Chaos Warriors. You're lonely? I played some World of Warcraft. I played some Total War Rome 2 on the stream. You want to see my Cyberpunk? Yeah, I'm gonna play it tomorrow, Cyberpunk. Oh man, I hope I don't get addicted. I was addicted to Witcher 3. Man, I got so drawn into the story, I couldn't stop playing it. It was such an amazing game. Such an amazing game. Yes, I have played StarCraft. Witcher 3 was amazing. Oh my god. I'm just trying to assassinate all these enemy agents here. Why am I failing at everything? Can I attack this settlement yet? Oh, I just attacked it, never mind. QS turned out to be your best trade of the year. Congrats. Really nice. Yeah. THCB. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna add to it. Only in a good setup. Oh! Wait, is this 2 armies? Yeah, this is 2 armies, okay. Who's this? Wait, who are these? The Empire? This guy doesn't look like a human. Or does he have a mask? Arch-Lector Balthasar Gelt. Who the hell? It doesn't look like a human. I thought the Empire were humans, but this guy doesn't look like a human. Emperor Karl Franz. I thought I killed this guy. Apparently I didn't. I need to get the fuck out of here. This I don't want to fight yet. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Why am I failing at all the hero activities? What's going on? Okay. I'm playing on hard right now. This is the second campaign. I finished the Dwarves campaign on normal. And now I'm doing this Chaos Warriors campaign on hard. Yeah, I know. This is a pretty good lifestyle, right? Chaos Warriors. Or this. Chaos Spawn, Forsaken, Chaos Troll. I can't even do Chaos Trolls. Chaos. I can't even do those. Marauder. No, maybe I do this one. Let's see. Let's look at the map. Are these my allies? Defensive alliance. Dwarves. Okay. So I need to eliminate Dwarves, the Empire, and Bretonia. These guys are somewhere over here. So those are the 3 factions I need to eliminate. And right now I'm working on the Dwarves. And then I'm gonna do Empire. I still have 308 people watching. Yep, pretty amazing. You can't kill the Dwarves? Why not? I've been killing a lot of them. Short people, but they're not humans, they're dwarves. It's a fantasy game. Maybe I should move one of my agents over here. Critical failure, okay, thanks for that. Where the hell is my guy? Oh, finally a success. How much XP do I need? Okay, soon. Haven't I seen Lord of the Rings? Yes, I have. Too many times. Okay, the Empire's moving his armies away. I think I'm gonna exterminate the dwarves within the next 20 turns. And then I'm gonna move on to the Empire. They're gonna be a bit harder, I think. Whoa, assassinate. Who should I assassinate? Just take one. Critical success, very good. Success. Who's my third guy? Oh yeah, he is. So. Let's see. I'll move my army over here. Greenskins have that. Okay. The problem with Chaos Warriors is you can't have 2 armies too close to each other because they start fighting with each other, so they get attrition. So every turn you lose like 10-15% of your manpower. They're not really civilized, so to say. So you gotta have them a little bit apart. Wait, I have all this. Wait, this guy is not level 6. How can this guy be? He has all the skill points. What? Oh, he's level 29. Okay, yeah, this was another guy. Never mind. Maybe this. Oh wait, have people been warned about being in the wrong category? Yeah, I'm a pro gamer now. Stocks and bonds, yeah. We're doing both. What is this game about? It's about building your empire. Oh, I need to charge my mouse apparently. Why can't I do anything with this guy? That's weird. Sometimes I don't get it. Like I can't. What do you mean the chance of success is too low? But this guy I can do a lot of things with. Okay. The thing with Chaos War is you can't own any settlements. You don't have any income. You need to loot. You need to loot these enemy cities. And I need to do it soon. In like 12 turns I'll run out of money. That won't be very good. That won't be very good at all. No, what the hell did I do? No, we went the wrong way. He went the wrong way. This is, yeah, you can play it online too, but this is single player right now. I'm just doing a campaign. Why can't I do anything with this guy? I don't get it. Weird. You thought this room was about options? This is, we're doing a little bit of everything. While other people are doing research on stocks, I play games. Oh, I'm gonna loot and raise this city. I'm not even gonna do this battle manual, I'm just gonna run them over. Loot and raise. Enough for me to last another 4 turns with my current burn rate. Failure. Yeah, now people are leaving the stream. But still amazing. 255. Wait, what happened? Oh, wait. What's this? Yeah. Sure I could. You're the fool. You came for stock stay free games, yeah. What's going on? Is this a good thing or is this a bad thing? What the fuck is going on? That's what happens when you don't use a stop. You get eaten by a big evil eagle slash half human, half eagle. Oh. Wait, so what does this mean? I still don't get it. So is this an enemy for me? Or is it an ally? Or what the hell is it? Chaos Gathering. Are it those or what? I guess it's Chaos Gathering. So it's the rivals to me or what? Don't get it. Oh, finally a success. Oh, finally this guy reappeared. And I need to go and scout a little bit because there's a settlement over here, a dwarven settlement. I need to see if it's raised or if it's not. Oh, level 30? Oh, it's a max max level or what? Looks like it's max level. Okay. Fuck it. Yeah, I have Warhammer 2 also. I actually started playing that one first. But this, the first one is more like a traditional Total War game. The Warhammer 2 Total War, it's more like a RPG or whatever. Oh, DraftKings is breaking out of this little flag. I had a very white candle yesterday. I'm gonna start stocking some of these extended ETFs for potential short entries. You know, just putting some alerts out there. Like, I think we could go much higher, but it's always good to be ready. Things won't be going straight up forever. Nvidia screen, it's the slowest stock ever. Wait, is it a new turn? No, it's not. Okay. mRNA is about to take out lows of the day. So what do they want? Non-aggression pact? Yeah, sure. I don't need to kill you guys anyway. Okay, let's raise this city. Oh, nice! This is enough to last me like 8 or 9 turns. Very nice. Now the dwarves are almost extinct. They only have like 1 settlement left. And this settlement is toast also. Okay. I'm gonna take a... Oh, it's a long way to go. Right. No, not that way. Oh, fuck. Well, I guess I'll go this way too. Oh, okay, never mind. No, I'll just stay here. Nope. Oh wait, I have to go a long way. Oh shit, no, I'm not gonna go that way. Let's stay here. I have to go through the green skins, it looks like. Oh, there's a dwarven army here. Interesting. Make friends with the vampires. I have a non-aggression pact with one of those vampires. I'm probably gonna assault them anyways. Because why not? I need the loot. Okay, so the dwarves have expanded here. Okay, more cities to destroy. Very good. Should I also attack the greenskins? How big are they? I think they're pretty big. Strength rank. Chaos Gathering. Tilia. Yeah, there. Well, yeah. I'm gonna attack the greenskins too. Yep, I'm making millions. I'm trading and gaming. Best combination. Still 227 viewers? Guys, what's wrong with you? I'm doing everything to get rid of you, and you stay. You're not leaving? This is Twitch, you know? If you're not gaming, you have nothing here to do. Let's assassinate some guy here. Lord, 20. Oh, let's assassinate this guy. Oh. Why did I go there? What the hell is wrong with me? Okay. No, I never played Tuta. Who's this? Greenskins? Oh, they want a better relation, but I'm just gonna... I'm just about to attack you guys. Huh. Yeah. I'm just about to attack you guys. So, no thank you. I need the loot. And you can't do anything against me. I'm too powerful. Shouldn't I... 6 turns until growth. Why am I growing so slowly? Because I'm not encamping, that's why, okay. Well, I guess this guy needs experience. Declare war. Blah, blah. Okay, now I'm worried with vampires too, apparently. I'll encamp here. Increase my growth a little bit. Should I? Can I build anything? I can't build anything. I'm shorting vampires. Wait, where's my other guy? Didn't I have 2 guys over here? Wait, where's the other guy? Oh, there he is. He's gonna... Well... Okay, I can't do anything. Why can't I do anything with this guy? This is the capital of the dwarves. Wow, greenskins have really run them over. What a bunch of dwarves. I played much better as the dwarves when I was playing. The AI is not very smart. Can this laser go to 33 already? Bayherds, where are... Okay, they're over there. I don't care about them. Okay, let's assault these guys. Just gonna run them over. I'm just out to resolving all these easy battles. But I hope we get a real challenging battle soon. Then I'm gonna do it manually. Critical failure, okay. Oh, this guy. This is a good one. Oh, maybe I can build something with this guy. No, I only have 2 population surplus. Never mind. Oops. The gameplay is so fast with Chaos Warriors since you don't have any provinces to manage. Yeah, it's just experience. These greenskins must be shitting themselves. Okay, what should I research? I can't even build these units yet. Maybe this one. I'll go with that one. Have I been to Russia? Yes. A long time ago. I'm waiting for the DoorDash IPO. Nope. When did I last visit Estonia? Last summer. This year couldn't do it because of the virus. The virus. Why would I speak Russian? No, I don't speak Russian. Why would I speak Russian? You love being just around me? Okay, thanks, I guess. listening to me on Twitch or YouTube? Oh, you remote work from home. mRNA so far holding, but I'm telling you guys, if it loses this 162 area later, this thing has no support until like high mid 140s today. What's QS? Hey, why is QS? Why are these? What are these red candles? Totally unacceptable. QS and red candles. I don't like that. THCB is holding up really well though. Maybe this thing can go to 20 by tomorrow. Boom, boom, boom. I love putting these moronic price targets out there, and the stock goes there. This is the type of market we are right now. You need 0 brain cells to make money. Best type of trading environment. I don't like using my brain cells. It's kind of exhausting. Well, my QS call was on point like a week ago, and yesterday too. Exactly, Estonians speak Estonian. I couldn't care less about Russian. Did I trade QS when it was KCAC? I don't remember it. Did I trade it? I don't remember trading it. I did? Huh, there you go. Too bad I didn't hold, I guess. Wait, what is this guy doing? Oh, maybe I should kill this guy. No, wrong button. Okay, whatever. Where's my level 30 guy? I don't even need to do anything with this guy. He's too high of a level. Can't even level him anymore. Didn't I have a guy here too? Wait, where's my third guy? Oh, he's yeah, he's gone right now. Ooh, I was starting to run out of money. But now... This is pretty good. Well, older Estonians speak Russian. But when I grew up, it wasn't part of the Soviet Union anymore. So no need to learn Russian. Yeah, I know I'm running out of money. Jesus Christ. I need to loot these cities faster. I have a high burn. My burn is too high. Yeah, I need to trade some. Let's see here. Let's attack this guy. Why can't I attack this guy? Okay. This battle, you know what? I'm actually gonna do this battle. What do I have? Okay, yeah, okay. I have this hero. Sword infantry. Okay, good. These guys are shielded. Whatever. A little bit of missile infantry, cavalry, and a troll. Do I have any anti-large? Yeah, I have 2 anti-large. Okay, I'm gonna do this on the battle map, so you'll see. So you'll see a siege. This is a dwarven. No, this is a greenskin city. Or actually, it's a dwarven city that greenskins have captured. But I'm gonna win this win easily. I'm gonna put some guys on the main gate. Anti-large, okay. So I'm gonna do this, and this. So I'm just gonna attack their. Right, it's just gonna take some losses early on since they're shooting at me from the walls. My units are not the fastest, so I'm trying to get these units close to the walls so these towers can't shoot at them. What brokerage is this? This is the Total War brokerage. Man, I've already lost like 10% of my guys. They're so slow. They need to be running faster. So now they're gonna deploy these ladders. Storm the... Here the greenskins wait for me. Now I'm gonna start climbing these ladders. This is virgin. Yeah, I'm going virgin mode right now. I have some units on the gates, so we can attack the gates. Here I'm going hard on the walls right now. So here my guys are on the walls. So here is a fight already. Filthy greenskins. So I have some guys on the walls already. So all of these guys, they're gonna die. The guys that are the first up on the ladders, they're gonna die. I wouldn't want to be the first guy up on the ladder. Oh shit, this unit is gonna die so hard. Ugh. Yeah, SPE is gonna be a great short eventually. Oh, this unit is so dead. They're totally surrounded. Maybe this unit too. Oh no, this unit is gonna be fine, I think. When is the gate? Oh, the gate is breached. Okay, I'm gonna send in these guys. I'm gonna send in my war dogs. You need to capture the center of the city. These war dogs are. What do you mean stick to trading? This is awesome. I'm gonna win this. There's no shock cavalry here. I don't like that. And missile infantry. I wonder if they have any units in the middle. I need to get these guys over here. Come on, 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 come on. Ah, they're routing. Okay, whatever. I lost my dogs. Do I plan to buy a Airbnb? I don't know. What's my edge buying it? I don't see an edge buying it. Yet another IPO. I'm kind of losing the fight on the walls though. Already lost several units. Laser is testing a loser a day, and mRNA is testing VVAP. No, I don't buy any. I don't see an edge in buying IPOs. There are some people like IPO Dave on Twitter who trades them like he's been doing it for a long time, trades them very successfully, but not really my thing. Wait, these are not the correct types of... I need the correct type of guys on it. Okay, here they are. Okay, whatever. I'll go for it. Okay, I'm starting to win on the walls. Oh, I won. Okay, nice. So I lost like... Okay, yeah. Could have gone better, but whatever. I would probably lost fewer men if I had just auto thing that. Look, if you are very long-term bullish on something, sure, you can buy on the IPO, but you know, especially if it's like in a bad market and things are coming cheap. Right now, things are having nosebleed valuations. It's kind of hard to have any long-term conviction on them, because we go into a cycle of like multiple contraction, you're gonna get killed on everything. Okay, I need to save his. So I have money for 20 turns. I'm gonna take a break. I need to eat something. Hey guys, thanks for joining today. Still 178 viewers. Nice. Okay guys, thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.